Hi, my name's Stefano Godinich and I'm a greenkeeper at Whitford Park Golf Club. We have a SANY SY18 and we use it on the course for path extensions, drainage and irrigation repairs. But yeah, it's definitely a great machine. Really easy to use and yeah, perfect for the job. Today we're using it to extend a path. We had a real issue in winter getting onto the path, so we're extending it to a drier spot, and there'll be a lot more of that going on before winter comes to get the carts around. So we've got different attachments. We've got a smaller drainage bucket that we use for drainage, and then we've also got the auger which we use to dig the holes for new trees, and then the tilting bucket is perfect for paths and other earth moving work.
Would you recommend SANY to other people who are looking?
Yep, absolutely. It's really easy to use, got the hang of it pretty quickly, and yeah, very nice to operate.